Stay 4. At this stage, you are going to simulate a job interview. Question 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? Allow me to introduce myself. I am Ramon Mendoza Melendez, and I consider myself a passionate, committed, and result-oriented person. My experience in the field of sport and my communication skills are key and are related to the position to be held. Thanks this have allowed me to obtain outstanding achievements in my professional and personal career. Question 2. Why do you want to work for this company? It is a pleasure to express my interest in the position of a sport manager in your company. I would like to the opportunity to discuss more about this exciting opportunity and how to contribute to the success for the organization. I am sure that my passion for sport makes me an enthusiastic, dedicated, and community candidate. Question 3. What are your goals for the future? My goal for the future is to continue learning and growing within your company. I want to be able to help people from my role as a sport manager working with innovative ideas that generate a positive impact on the world. Question 4. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses? One of my most sterling strengths is my ability to work as a team. I am known for my meticulous approach and ability to find creative solutions to complex challenges. My greatest weakness is my temper. Question 5. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skill that you transferred from your previous line of work toward department here? My work philosophy is based on perseverance and the constant search for excellence. I would love the opportunity to demonstrate and my skill and experience can contribute to the continued growth and success for your organization.